What is happening? I don't know.
Everyone, please move back!
Why is everyone running? Look over there. What is that? What is that? It's a baby elephant. Why is it outside? I don't know. It's running. Someone needs to help it. Where is it going? Wait! What? It is following that ball! You're right! Don't run too close. I won't. Stay with me. Okay. Why is it going there? Maybe it is looking for something. Let's see! The ball is in the water! And the elephant wants it! This is crazy! Henry! What? Look at the gate! Oh no! We have to tell the worker! Quick!
Stay back!
But the elephant is trapped!
Don't worry, I will help you.
Is the elephant okay?
Yes, but we need to find its mother.
I think it's calling its mother. Maybe she can hear it.
I hope so.
Did you hear that? Yes!
That's another elephant.
That's another elephant. Maybe it's the mother. The sound is getting closer. I can hear her.
Stay close to me.
Look! There are so many elephants. Which one is its mother? That's its mother!
It found her.
Yes.
It knows her voice. Henry, stay behind the line.
Sorry.
It's important to stay safe.
Okay, I understand. They are together again. I'm so happy! Me too.
You two did a great job.
We only followed the elephant.
And you told me when something was wrong.
What was that? I don't know.
Everyone, stay here.
Was that a lion? I think so.
Yes, but don't worry.
Whoa! That was loud.
The lion is safe inside its enclosure. Wait,
What?
I think the lion wants something.
What does it want? Look! What did you see? A ball! Huh!
You're right. The ball belongs to the lion's play area.
So the lion isn't angry?
No, it wants its ball.
What a wild day! First the elephant, and now the lion!
What happened here?
We helped a baby elephant, and then we saw a lion!
Wow, what an adventure!
Today was an amazing adventure, and we learned something important. Always stay safe and listen to the adults. Would you like to visit this zoo? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.